What is going on, guys? So this is David from the significant future from this video. About, what is it, a week later? Yeah, it's a little over a week later now. I filmed this video last week and I forgot to film an intro for you guys. I just kind of got on the road, and like the first clip you're gonna see after this, which is just me driving. Anyway, the next clip you're gonna see after this is where I picked up the video and just started it. For some reason, I don't know why, but I never filmed an intro, or if I did, I deleted it somehow. But anyway, for this video, we're gonna end up taking this thing to go see Martin at RS-Enthalpy, or from RS-Enthalpy, not at RS-Enthalpy, because I'm pretty certain that's in somewhere else, not here. I think Florida, but somewhere else. Anyway, so yeah, anyway, I forgot to do that. Long story short, we drove up north to go visit Martin from RS-Enthalpy to get the car retuned, and yeah, so that's where we're starting today's video. I'm gonna leave it up ahead of time. Leave me a comment down below and tell me how much power you think the car is gonna actually make before you see the video. I'll let you guys know at the end of the video what it makes. Most of the clips today are just gonna be stuff that I took at the dyno. I didn't film a lot, but I did film a lot of dyno clips with Martin doing some tuning on it. So there's a lot of clips of that, a handful of pulls. I tried to chop it down to like the interesting parts, so it wasn't just you guys watching him tune in the drivability part of it, which is just literally like just cruising, like, you know, cruising levels like 3,000 whatever RPMs, and just dialing in those sections of the map. So I kind of skipped around and just put in like the little bit more exciting parts. So I hope you guys like it. Like I said before, let me know what you guys think it's going to make down in the comments below, and let's get started with the video.
Check it out, baby! Hefty friend! Also, Mazda, why didn't you build any sort of gear higher than this mid gear? 3,500 at 70 is stupid. For support. So I got the boost turned up to about 14 psi. I can lower it down if you'd like. It's going to make a little bit more. I need to play with the timing up here.
Okay.
But it will make probably somewhere 230, 240-ish. Okay. A little bit more. It just depends what happens once I get a chance to alter the timing. It was freaking out because of the high coolant temp. So what you call it?
Okay, I might need to adjust that.
Yeah, because what's interesting is as the RPMs go up, the coolant temps go up.
like with throttle, and then when you let off, they come off almost immediately. It's almost like it's RPM driven, which is very strange.
That's weird. Maybe I got an air pocket or something in the system.
No, because the other gauge isn't doing anything. It seems like electrical noise.
Okay. I'll have to look at that.
Yep.
Can you recommend like a sensor for me that you would just use for it?
Yeah, I mean GM, yeah, but I mean I don't know if it's going to be a sensor issue. To be honest with you, more of a I don't know what's causing that.
I don't.
I wanted to cool down a little bit and then get back to it.
Okay, that's fair.
On our way home. Look at those cruising AFRs, guys. So nice. So nice now. Martin did a great job with this tune. Yeah, I'll tell you guys more about it when I get home, but I just wanted to show you guys that. Maybe about like an hour away. And it's kind of gross, and this thing lets out everywhere. So that's super fun. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I get home.
Okay, guys. Just kind of got home, but not really. I've been home for like half an hour or so. So bad kind of ish news. And good news. So let's start off with the good news. The car originally made about 200 horsepower on the tune that Nate did, which is super cool because that was only on 7 PSI. Now, with the tune Martin did, it also makes about 200 horsepower. The map feels a little bit more refined and cleaned up, but you know, it's just a little bit farther along at this point. The downside, though, is when Martin got off his final pull, it sounded like it was running on 3 cylinders, and then it cleared up for whatever reason and started running fine again. So I don't know that it's down on compression necessarily, but when I was driving home, it kind of had the same issue and felt like it was down a cylinder all of a sudden. So the motor itself could have let go, and I could have a bad ring or some bad rings or something, and that's kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. You got to pay to play if that is the case. If not, hopefully it's just like a dead coil pack or a coil pack that's starting to die out, or maybe it's just not making good contact or something, and it comes back. The other good news, though, is the car now makes about 220 horsepower, and the turbo is basically running out of steam. So at the end of the day, the car did really well in what it was supposed to do, with the exception of whatever's causing it to run on 3 cylinders, per se. So I guess my next step is going to be compression test the motor to hopefully rule out the compression on it. If that comes out, then I will be hunting for what's going on with the spark system, because it's got to be the spark at that point. So anyway, I'm sorry if this video was a little bit shorter than my normal videos, and maybe last week's was too. And I'm sorry, I'm trying to get back on a more regular routine. I'm probably gonna have to slow down to about once a week. I was doing 2 a week, and that was great, but I was working on the car a lot more than anything else, and like doing things more for this video and YouTube and everything else. And I'd love to do that, and I'd love to dedicate more time to that, but also at the end of the day, I do have a wife, and I do have a house that I need to take care of. And let me know if you guys find housework type of things interesting, and I'm not talking sweeping or mopping or any of that weird house cleaning stuff. Not really weird, but I'm talking more house construction. I'm in the middle of a bathroom remodel, and I'm not talking just paint the walls. I'm talking I've gutted the bathroom and rebuilt the bathroom, basically. I don't know if you guys are interested in anything like that, but I'd be happy to show you. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see stuff like that, because I'd be happy to film stuff like that, because that's really what I'm doing when I'm not working on cars, is just working on this house or working on house projects. Yeah, so anyway, that's going to be it for today. Like this video if you want to see more Miata content. Let me know down below if you guys want to see other housework type of content. Give me criticism down below too if you hit that dislike button. If you guys don't like this for whatever reason, let me know why. What can I do better? And hit that subscribe button while you're at it. It'd be super great. that's going to be it for today. I hope the quality of this video has been a little bit better than most of my other phone videos in the past. I did get a new phone, so it should hypothetically be better. Fingers crossed. It's all good. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.